Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by placing the metal fire pit on a stable, non-combustible surface and confirming a 10-foot clearance from buildings and overhangs. Next, set up an accessible safety station with water or an extinguisher. This prevents escalation if embers escape. Arrange crumpled fire starter and kindling in the center, then stack small dry sticks in a teepee or log cabin pattern around them. Make sure air can flow under the pile, because oxygen feeds steady combustion and reduces excessive smoke. Once lit in several spots, you should add kindling gradually as the flames establish, because overloading chokes the fire. Once you have steady flames, place larger hardwood logs perpendicular to the blaze so they catch evenly and release longer-lasting heat. Keep the pile below 18 inches to reduce sparks. Make short, deliberate pokes with a metal poker to introduce air and prevent smothering. If smoke increases, reposition logs to open airflow. This both calms smoke and improves burn efficiency. To finish, allow the fire to reduce to embers, then spread them out and douse thoroughly with water until steaming stops. Alternatively, cover with sand and stir until cool to the touch. Make sure you check the surrounding area for any escaped embers before leaving. If you encounter sudden flare-ups, smother the flames with a metal lid or sand rather than pouring fuel, because that prevents violent reignition. If embers reignite later, repeat douse and stir until fully cool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.